The following message is transferred at the request of the New York National Guard. It also been reported that two creatures are spawned in the city of New York. The National Guard is having trouble about what's going on. At this time, we ask our listeners to seek shelter. Stay tuned, one Mason. At this time, do not go outside or you will die. At this time, do not go outside. It's scary. Stay tuned for now. I see you. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York National Guard and the New York Police Department. Unknown creature was spotted. He's the first one. Friday Funkin'. Funkin'. His name is Bob. He had black skin and eyes. Do not look at this person. You do so, you'll face certain death. The New York State, the police are working to kill this creature. Stay tuned for now on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted for the case of the New York City This is not a test, but had scared everybody. 45 minutes later, he just scared everybody. And Bob is scaring everybody in New York City. To seek shelter immediately. Burn sent to the place in your shelter, such as food, water, and likely to stay in your shelter. And about a later, you can have any updates. You have a another agency will teach you about the boat. Stay tuned, more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York City agency and the New York City National Guard and the National Weather Service. An earthquake is shaking around the New York City. At this time, we ask our residents to cover their hands and head immediately. Do not attempt to. Oh shit! What does that mean? Why did that happen? Oh shit! Oh fuck! Holy shit! I have to get out. Our program. This is a global agency. Put the instructions to follow. The following message is transmitted to the request of the U.S. military and the United States government. All have made more creatures around the United States. The National Guard and the New York City have been quickly destroyed by an earthquake. This is the same more dangerous weapon situation. Taken seriously. At this time, ask our residents to seek underground shelter. And once a nuclear missile will strike yet. We don't remember will strike yet. At this time, the creatures are baited on 50 U.S. states. There are Minnesota, North Dakota, South Dakota, Michigan, Wisconsin, Florida, New Mexico, Texas, California, Washington, and more states that will be baited in the next 12 hours. Do not go outside. This station will sound off now. We went by programming. This is the block or A to Z. The following message runs me to the host of the National Peace Administration and the United States government. This is not a test. PD, this is not a test. Bob had created a black hole. Everybody can get sucked into the black hole. NASA tried to destroy this black hole but failed. All residents of the United States are strongly advised to gather your loved ones, such as friends and family and pets, and turning away your death. The President of the United States, all world leaders got sucked into the black hole. There is no time to evacuate or seek shelter. There is nothing but reason to stay calm. Go to panic mode. The black hole is about to suck our planet in 10 minutes. This is me signing off. This message is not waiting for the final time. Goodbye forever. Zonia died.